saying, if you see Conor McGregor, it'll be a year from now. Because he's highly likely that he sentenced Conor McGregor to a year in prison. Because Conor McGregor, Conor McGregor fans say, no, Super Cash, he was facing 6 months in prison for dangerous driving. Listen, Conor McGregor is facing more than 6 months in prison. He did not appear in court. Okay, he did not appear in court. He's drug his biological father, Tony McGregor, into it, and they'll probably bust his ass. No doubt they will, for lying and misleading law enforcement, filing a false police report and filing a false insurance check. And the thing is, why did Conor McGregor get his biological father, Tony McGregor, to lie for him? Because it's high likelihood Conor McGregor made a call, hopped on another boat, and hauled ass. And Tony McGregor took the blame for that shit.
I was simply acting, and I thought you would have known.
Fuck you, Conor McGregor!